Hello everyone, I am Professor Hungwei Li from the Department of Applied Psychology at Xuanchuang University, and I am also the project leader of our university's second phase Digital Humanities Innovation Talent Cultivation Program. Although my academic expertise lies in cognitive neuroscience, my Atayal heritage and passion for programming and technology since my student years have driven me to focus on integrating indigenous cultural revitalization with cutting-edge technology in recent years. This dedication led to the proposal of the Digital Indigenous Culture Revival and Industry Development Project. In this video, I will share an introduction to the course, Capstone Project of Digital Indigenous Culture Revival and Industry Development and highlight the students' achievements. I look forward to your valuable feedback. This course is a hands-on, application-focused capstone project centered on digital technology, designed to guide students in creating and implementing innovative projects that promote the revitalization of indigenous cultures or the development of indigenous industries. Drawing on the expertise of multiple educators and industry professionals, the course adopts a collaborative group approach. Through project execution, refinement, and presentation, students gain the opportunity to integrate and apply the knowledge and skills they have previously acquired, turning their learning into practical achievements. The core of this course lies in the creative application of digital technology, covering areas such as digital multimedia, extended reality, AR, VR, big data analysis, artificial intelligence, digital archiving, and e-commerce. Students will learn how to integrate these technologies with the cultural and industrial needs of indigenous communities, designing project outcomes that are both practical and innovative. This approach allows them to further explore the potential of digital technology in cultural preservation and industry promotion. During the course, students engage in group discussions and project-based work, starting from identifying core issues and pain points to proposing solutions and progressively completing their projects. The semester is divided into three main phases. The initial phase involves group formation and assignment of faculty mentors. The middle phase focuses on in-depth discussions and revisions of project concepts, and the final phase culminates in a project presentation. For this presentation, tribal elders, entrepreneurial practitioners, and faculty from the course cluster are invited to participate in the review process, providing students with comprehensive feedback. The course assessment focuses not only on the completion of projects, but also on the understanding of indigenous cultural elements, integration of digital technologies, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Students are required to submit tangible outcomes, such as research reports or design proposals, and present the feasibility and innovation of their projects through group presentations. This course is not just a learning journey, but also a platform where creativity meets technology. Through hands-on practice, students gain real-world experience in supporting the revitalization of indigenous cultures and promoting indigenous industries. They also enhance their ability to integrate digital technology with humanities, opening new possibilities for their future careers and academic pursuits. The course actively encourages outstanding projects to participate in related competitions, further showcasing students' innovative achievements and creating a broader social impact. In this showcase micro video, we will introduce the student and faculty projects that our team submitted for 2 consecutive editions of the Digital Humanities Qing Stone Award, highlighting the tangible outcomes of this capstone course. However, since my appearance frequency in these videos has been quite high, we've decided to switch things up. This time, the introduction will be presented by Professor Yuchie Chang, offering a fresh and less familiar face to guide you through the content.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Yuchie Chang from the Department of Applied Psychology at Xuanchuang University, and I am also the co-principal investigator of our Digital Humanities project. Since the capstone course has been offered once by Professor Li and once by me, he has invited me to introduce the concrete outcomes of our course, namely, the project submitted for the 2023 and 2024 editions of the Digital Humanities Qing Stone Award. To present these works clearly, we will follow a chronological structure and introduce the projects in 2 main sections. Let's get started. First, I would like to introduce the 3 student projects that participated in the 2023 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Award. The first project, titled Seeing the Glorious Past of the Atayal People Through AI Filters, was conducted by student Qiao Liu. This study explores the application of digital imaging technology in restoring old photographs of the Atayal people to preserve and pass on their cultural heritage. Due to the effects of time and environmental conditions, many old photographs have suffered damage. The study utilized Photoshop AI filters for automatic colorization. However, since AI lacks sufficient data on Atayal traditional attire, the color restoration was often inaccurate and required manual adjustments. To address this, the study conducted literature reviews and field investigations to analyze the characteristics of Atayal clothing, comparing the restoration effectiveness of Photoshop and GIMP. The findings revealed that while AI significantly improves efficiency, human intervention remains necessary to preserve cultural details. The ultimate goal of the project is to integrate Atayal cultural information into AI imaging technology to enhance the accuracy of automatic restoration, ensuring that cultural memories can be properly preserved. Liu Chao's work was awarded the Excellence Award at the 2023 Qing Stone Awards. The second project, using Metaspark to present a blended reality of Atayal life, was conducted by student Chunan Hong. This study explores how augmented reality, AR technology, can be used to preserve and showcase traditional Atayal culture. As Atayal bamboo houses are gradually disappearing due to weather conditions and challenges in passing down construction techniques, the study first involved guidance from elders and artisans to construct a bamboo house model. Using Metaspark, the project integrated virtual Atayal figures, allowing traditional living scenes to be presented through AR on mobile devices. The study combined 3D scanning, digital sculpting, and animation technologies to ensure that cultural assets could be preserved and transmitted in a more vivid and engaging way. Through interviews, hands-on participation in construction, and the application of digital technologies, the researcher gained a deeper understanding of the Atayal way of life and cultural values. The study demonstrates how digital technology can help sustain the transmission of traditional culture in modern society. Hong's project was also awarded the Excellence Award at the 2023 Qing Stone Awards. The third project, Application of Artificial Intelligence in Processing Oral History Data, was conducted by student Jia Hao Yep. This study explores how AI technology can enhance the efficiency of collecting and processing Atayal historical and cultural data. By interviewing the chief of the Atayal Heping tribe, the research applied Adobe Enhanced Speech to remove background noise from recordings, used automatic speech recognition (ASR) technology to generate verbatim transcripts, and employed ChatGPT for text analysis and summarization. These technologies significantly reduced the tedious nature of manual transcription, improving both the efficiency and accuracy of historical documentation. The study not only preserved Atayal history and culture, but also demonstrated AI's potential in contextual understanding, topic modeling, and data analysis. Through the use of these digital tools, Atayal culture can be more comprehensively preserved and passed down, while also opening new possibilities for the digital development of the humanities. Yep's project received the highest honor, the Special Excellence Award, at the 2023 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. Next, let's introduce the 3 faculty projects from our university that participated in the 2023 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. The first project, Overview of Indigenous Industry and Marketing Courses, was conducted by Professor Junkai Liang. This paper presents a general education course that integrates indigenous culture with digital marketing, aiming to help students understand the economic landscape of indigenous industries and their marketing strategies. The course content includes lectures by faculty members, guest talks by indigenous youth, and on-site field studies. It covers 4 main categories: tribal tourism, craftsmanship and cultural creativity, indigenous cuisine, and music, dance, and sports. Students are required to independently plan field study activities, analyze industry characteristics, and develop digital marketing strategies. The course places a strong emphasis on technology applications, such as social media management and smart marketing, and students are encouraged to propose digital optimization strategies for the Heping tribe and its marketing center to enhance the digital transformation and market competitiveness of indigenous industries. Unfortunately, despite the project's contributions, Professor Liang's work did not receive recognition from the award committee. Next is Professor Hung Wei Li's project, Comparison of Response Quality in Text-Generating AI Systems. This study examines the performance of ChatGPT, Copilot, and Bard across different knowledge domains. It evaluates their responses based on 3 categories of questions: content from thinking fast and slow, issues related to Taiwan's indigenous peoples, and scientific research methods. The study assesses each system in terms of relevance, accuracy, information richness, coherence, and efficiency. The results indicate that Copilot performed the best overall, followed by ChatGPT-4, though the latter was more prone to generating inaccurate information on indigenous topics. ChatGPT 3.5 showed moderate performance, while Bard received the lowest rating due to its overly lengthy and imprecise responses. This research provides empirical insights into using Gen AI for assisted learning and lays the groundwork for further in-depth analysis. Professor Lee's project received the Excellence Award in the faculty category of the 2023 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. The final project, also by Professor Hung-Wei Lee, is titled Using Gen AI to Write Python Code and Generate Statistical Charts. This study examines the performance of Bard, Copilot, and ChatGPT, versions 3.5 and 4, in Python programming and statistical chart generation. The research tested the code quality of Gen AI models using 10 Python problems of varying difficulty. The findings indicate that Copilot provided the most comprehensive comments, making it particularly suitable for learners, while ChatGPT-4 excelled in offering detailed error corrections and package installation suggestions. In the statistical charting section, only ChatGPT-4 was able to directly process Excel data and generate visualizations, allowing users to make real-time adjustments to the presentation, although some technical issues remained with the use of the Plot9 library. The study offers valuable insights into the role of Gen AI in programming assisted learning and its potential future developments. Given that Gen AI was still an emerging and rapidly evolving field at the time, Professor Lee's research was recognized with the Excellence Award in the 2023 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. Now that we have introduced the 2023 projects, let's take a look at the student and faculty achievements from 2024, starting with the student projects. The first project, Atayal Facial Tattoo AR Filter, was conducted by Xian Yi Lin and Yongxiang Shui. Their study explores how augmented reality, AR technology, can be used to preserve and promote the Atayal facial tattoo tradition. The research found that facial tattoos are now rarely seen among modern Atayal people. To address this, the team utilized Metaspark AR and Adobe Photoshop to digitize traditional facial tattoo patterns and create AR filters, allowing users to experience them interactively through Instagram and Facebook. The research process involved data collection, facial tattoo design, and digital conversion, emphasizing the role of social media platforms in cultural preservation. This project successfully increased the visibility of Atayal facial tattoo culture and provided a new model for the digital preservation of indigenous heritage. Future applications could extend this approach to other indigenous cultural elements. Unfortunately, despite its potential, this project did not receive recognition from the award committee. Next is the project Edutainment, developing an Atayal R Gachapon game, created by students Chunan Hong and Minhui Chung. Their study utilizes augmented reality, AR technology, combined with a gachapon mechanism to design an interactive digital experience that promotes Atayal hunting culture. Through interviews with elders and literature research, the team created hunter characters, traditional hunting tools, and hunting scenes, integrating sound effects and explanatory content to allow users to explore the survival wisdom of the Atayal people within the game. During the development process, the team became aware of the challenges in cultural interpretation and adjusted their approach to enhance cultural understanding and respect. Additionally, as Metaspark was set to be discontinued, they shifted to Lens Studio to improve the user experience and lower accessibility barriers. This project presents new possibilities for the digital preservation and innovative application of indigenous culture. Due to their creativity, Hong and Chung were awarded the Merit Award in the student category of the 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. The third project, a preliminary study on constructing an indigenous knowledge graph using artificial intelligence, was conducted by student Jia Haoyep. Building on his previous research on ChatGPT applications, this study explores how AI technology can be leveraged to preserve and organize indigenous cultural knowledge. Using the Wufeng Township Gazetteer as a foundation, the research employed OCR technology to extract text, followed by ChatGPT for semantic analysis and knowledge association. The final output was a visualized knowledge graph created with Termboard, which significantly improved the efficiency of knowledge organization and presentation. This approach enables a more intuitive digital preservation and study of Wufeng Township's indigenous culture. The study not only demonstrates the potential of AI in knowledge management, but also presents possibilities for future cultural preservation and digital economic development. Recognized for this innovative exploration, YEP was once again awarded the Excellence Award in the student category of the 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. Finally, let's take a look at the faculty projects submitted for the 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. The first project, Indigenous Cultural Creative Marketing and Generative AI, was conducted by Professor Zhengkai Liang. This study explores how AI technology can be applied to indigenous industries to promote smart marketing and cultural integration. The course was designed around two modules, Indigenous Industry and Marketing, and Smart Marketing and Indigenous Industry Development, guiding students to utilize generative AI for market analysis, SWOT evaluations, and the design of AI-enhanced products. One example proposed by students was a smart archery game machine incorporating Atayal bow and arrow craftsmanship, demonstrating how cultural heritage can be transformed into commercial products. The course emphasized human-AI collaboration and critical thinking, helping students understand both the strengths and limitations of AI while using digital technology to deepen the innovative application of indigenous culture. Unfortunately, this project did not receive recognition from the award committee. The second project, Preservation and Reproduction of Traditional Weaving Movements in Facial Tattooed Indigenous Groups, using HoloLens 2 as a platform, was conducted by me. This study explores how mixed reality, MR technology, can be used to preserve indigenous weaving techniques. The research utilized HoloLens 2 and motion capture technology to record the weaving movements of indigenous artisans, while 3D modeling was employed to digitally reconstruct the weaving process. This approach enables the digital preservation and educational promotion of this cultural heritage. The methodology combined field research, technological application, and participatory learning with collaboration from Weaving Mountain Studio to create an immersive learning environment. This project not only facilitates the digital transmission of indigenous cultural practices, but also provides an innovative model for cross-disciplinary digital humanities research. Fortunately, this study was recognized by the award committee and received the Excellence Award in the faculty category of the 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. The final project, Integrating Metaverse Technology and Gen AI for Showcasing Digital Humanities Teaching Outcomes, was conducted by Professor Hengwei Li. The study explores how virtual avatar technology can enhance the presentation of teaching content. The research utilized metaverse tools such as Character Creator and iClone, combined with Gen AI technologies like ChatGPT and 11 Labs, to create virtual characters capable of simulating teacher-student explanations. These avatars were then used to generate video presentations showcasing course outcomes. The project also attempted to implement an intelligent tour guide system in the Heping tribe, overcoming challenges related to voice and subtitles but still facing technical limitations. This study not only demonstrates the potential of AI and the metaverse in digital humanities education, but also offers a new direction for efficient teaching and cultural preservation. Professor Li modestly remarked that this research was fortunate to receive recognition from the award committee, earning the Merit Award in the faculty category of the 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards. That concludes my presentation on the faculty and student projects from my university that participated in the 2023 and 2024 Digital Humanities Qing Stone Awards, along with their award outcomes. I hope this has provided you with the information you are looking for, and I sincerely welcome your feedback and insights.